Okay, let's talk about numbers 1 and 2 in this video. So 1 will be the first part, 2 will be the second part. Is this sequence geometric? So in order for it to be geometric, remember we have to be multiplying by the same common ratio to get each subsequent term. And one of the ways we suggested doing that was to check is to take any term and divide it by the term previous. So if I take 24 and I divide it by -12, I get -2. And now I can continue that process, pick the third term, divide it by the second term. So -48 divided by 24 is -2. And then take the last term that we're given, divide it by the term in front of it. So 96 divided by 48 is -2. And as long as these three numbers are all the same, then it is geometric, and that actually is also your R value. So the answer to this was yes. Second question was to state R. So we kind of did that, and I told you it's geometric, so you don't have to check it for every term. You can just pick any two terms and find your R value. So I can pick one term and divide it by the term in front of it, and that's going to give me my R value. So if I take -6 and I divide it by 9, that will give me divide both by 3, -2/3, and that is my R value. Now, if you wanted to check, you could take any other term, divide it by the term in front of it. So I could have taken 4 and divide it by -6. That's also going to end up being -2/3, same R value. And just for fun, let's do the last one. So -8/3 divided by 4. So guys, you should be able to do this, but that just means -8/3 times the reciprocal of 4, which is 1/4, which would give us -8/12, which, oh, look at that, we get -2/3 again. So all of those being the same tells us that's our R value, which we only had to do it one time because I told you in this problem that it was geometric.